I'm jumping on today to give a short testimonial for Casey Shepard. If you've not connected with Casey yet, I would highly suggest you do. I've worked with her for a short time, and she has shifted the way I look at my body and at my health journey. In her free masterclass alone, Casey shared insights about the root causes of symptoms and how our body truly functions that I'd not heard before. And I've been following functional medicine and integrative medicine physicians for over a decade. Casey has a rare gift of taking this complex science-based information and explaining it in a way that finally makes sense. She looks at the whole body. And she does it because she had to do it for herself. She is more than book learning. She has personal experience with this information, and she wants to translate that into your life to help you. You can feel how deeply she cares about helping you and getting to the why behind your symptoms, not just putting a Band-Aid on them. So if you're feeling stuck and dismissed or overwhelmed because you can't get answers, I cannot recommend Casey enough. Her knowledge, her integrity, and her heart-centered approach are truly next level. And I'm incredibly grateful that our paths have crossed. I know she has a free masterclass coming up, and I hope you'll take advantage of it, because I heard things in the masterclass that I was in that have revolutionized the way I look at what I'm going to do next on my health journey. And part of that is working with Casey.